here on the coast of Norway. Christmas is a time to look back on a year filled with stories.
On this journey, I feel me like I'm in a different world, where something beautiful awaits me every day.
Dette her jeg tror jeg skal kalle det et paradis på jord.
Stories of experiencing the coast for the first time.
Travelling on a ship up the Norwegian coast is one of the most exciting things I've ever done.
When it's sunny, it's so beautiful here. I think it's awesome when we have hurricanes too.
Stories of the midnight sun.
This perpetual daylight, it's almost like it's demanding your attention. It's making you keep looking.
Stories of the magic of the Norwegian sky.
Absolutely breathtaking, the way that curtain is moving.
Hello, Aurora! When I first saw the northern lights, I'd just stand on deck, look at the sky and cry.
Stories of people for whom Hurtigruten is a vital lifeline.
I grew up with Hurtigruten as a part of my daily life. There was always this feeling of the world coming 2 times a day when Hurtigruten arrives.
Or even a way of life.
Største inspirasjonen vel kanskje morfar da, som var kaptein og styrmann på Hurtigruten I mange år.
Of life-changing journeys.
When the horn blowed, it sings for me.
As a new year approaches, it's a chance to say thank you to the coast and for the stories. God jul fra Hurtigruten.
The feeling the place gave me. This is my home.